guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video about how to make a highlighter at home. Yes girls, I'm going to show you that how to make a highlighter at home. So let's start now. All you need is a moisturizer, is a baby oil, some simmer and glycerin. So let's start now. First, you'll have to take a bowl or any of the container in which you have to make it. Then we will take moisturizer. The moisturizer amount will be the amount you want to make the highlighter, and I'll take this much of it. Then I will put some 2 to 3 drops of baby oil. I've put it 4 to 5 drops, sorry. Then I will take glycerin and add some 4 drops of it. Okay, then I will add some simmer. You can take gold as well as you can take as silver. I will add this gold shimmer in it. Then I will mix it properly. You have to mix and mix and mix and mix it properly so that it won't get lumps in it. As you can see, I have mixed it well. Now I will transfer it into an empty container. And now I have put it into an empty container. Guys, I have also put glycerin in it so that it will stay for a long time. And now I will give a swatch of it. So let's see how it is. And you can see how pigmented it is. And it will give you a beautiful look. And this highlighter, please try and please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button. If you like my video, also give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.